Trading success is no accident. It's the result of a well-crafted strategy, unwavering discipline, and the ability to adapt in dynamic markets. Ready to transform your trading approach? Let's uncover the core principles of profitable trading. Successful trading starts with a solid plan. Define when to enter, exit, and manage risk. No setup, no trade. Avoid impulsive decisions like chasing trends or acting on social media hype. Stick to logic over emotions and ensure your setup meets all your criteria before taking action. Risk management is your safety net in volatile markets. Risk only a small percentage of your capital. 1% is a solid benchmark. This minimizes big losses and keeps you trading. If a trade isn't going as planned, close it and move on. Let your capital work in real opportunities. Discipline sets successful traders apart. Stick to your rules. No exceptions. Avoid the temptation to bend them for seemingly perfect trades, as this often leads to losses. Trust your system and steer clear of emotional decisions. Consistent discipline today builds the foundation for long-term success. The market is ever-changing, and staying ahead requires continuous learning. Explore new tools, strategies, and market dynamics. Even if you excel at technical analysis, incorporating methods like on-chain data or advanced indicators can give you an edge. The most adaptable traders are often the most successful. Patience is a trader's superpower, but use it wisely. Let profitable trades grow. Avoid closing too early. Conversely, cut losses swiftly if a trade isn't working. Many traders hold losing positions, hoping for recovery. Don't fall for that trap. Focus on maximizing profits and minimizing losses. Trading success is a skill, not luck. Follow your plan, manage your risk, stay disciplined, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Happy trading!